Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ready to unlock the full potential of your PlayStation 5? Getting your console online is absolutely essential for things like online multiplayer, downloading the latest game updates, and even enjoying all your favorite streaming apps. While the process is quite straightforward, we're here to walk you through the very latest methods, ensuring your console is connected and ready for action, even looking ahead to 2025. For the most reliable and fastest internet experience, a wired connection via an Ethernet cable is often your best bet. It's incredibly simple. Just take one end of an Ethernet cable and plug it directly into an available port on your router. Then, connect the other end into the LAN port located on the back of your PlayStation 5. Your console should then automatically detect and configure the connection, giving you a super stable online experience. If you prefer the flexibility of not being tethered by a cable, a wireless Wi-Fi connection is perfect. Start by going to your PlayStation 5's main settings menu, then scroll down and select Network. From there, choose Set up Internet Connection. Your console will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Simply select yours from the list, enter your network password carefully, and then follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup. It's a convenient way to get online. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly, but don't worry, there are some quick troubleshooting steps. A classic first step is simply restarting both your internet router and your PlayStation 5. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, double-check that you've entered your Wi-Fi password exactly right, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you're still struggling, try moving your console a bit closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. Once your PlayStation 5 is successfully connected, a whole new world of gaming opens up. You'll be able to dive into thrilling online multiplayer matches, download the latest digital games directly, and ensure your console always has the newest system updates. Plus, you can access all your favorite streaming apps and browse the PlayStation Store for exciting new content. Enjoy your fully connected PlayStation 5 experience, ready for all the adventures ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.